While you're reading, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, write a comment, and share this video. Your support helps us create more relaxing yoga sessions for you. Stretch and breathe. Let's begin. Mountain pose. Stand tall with your feet together or slightly apart. Ground evenly through both feet. Lengthen your spine. Relax your shoulders and breathe calmly. Standing side stretch. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Inhale and reach your arms overhead, clasping your hands. Exhale as you lean gently to one side, feeling the stretch along your ribs and side body. Standing side stretch. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Inhale and lift your arms overhead. Exhale as you gently lean to one side, keeping your chest open and both feet grounded. Forward fold. Stand tall and exhale as you hinge from your hips, folding forward over your legs. Let your head and arms hang heavy, relaxing your neck and back. Low lunge. Step 1 foot forward and lower your back knee to the mat. Keep your front knee above the ankle and open your chest slightly forward. Breathe deeply, feeling the stretch through your hips and thighs. Low lunge. Step 1 foot forward and lower your back knee to the ground. Keep your front knee stacked over the ankle and lift your chest slightly. Breathe deeply and feel the stretch through your hips and thighs. Half split. From low lunge, straighten your front leg and shift your hips back. Flex your front foot and keep your spine long as you fold forward. Breathe slowly, feeling a deep stretch in your hamstring. Half split. From low lunge, straighten your front leg and shift your hips back. Keep your spine long and flex your front foot. Breathe steadily as you feel the stretch in your hamstring. Wide-legged forward fold. Stand with your feet wide apart and hands on your hips. Hinge forward from your hips, keeping your spine long. Place your hands on the floor or hold your ankles. Relax your neck and breathe deeply. Wide-legged forward fold. Stand with your feet wide apart. Hinge forward from your hips and let your hands rest on the floor or your legs. Keep your spine long and breathe deeply. Seated forward bend. Sit with your legs straight in front of you. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale as you fold forward over your legs. Relax your neck and breathe evenly. Thread the needle. Start on all fours. Slide one arm under the opposite arm, resting your shoulder and head on the floor. Keep your hips raised and breathe deeply, feeling a gentle stretch in your back. Sphinx pose. Lie on your stomach and place your elbows under your shoulders. Press your forearms into the mat and lift your chest, keeping your neck long. Breathe steadily and feel the gentle back bend. Cobra pose. Lie on your stomach with hands under your shoulders. Press your palms into the floor and lift your chest, keeping elbows slightly bent. Breathe smoothly and feel the stretch along your spine. Pigeon pose. From downward dog, bring one knee forward between your hands and extend the other leg back. Square your hips and fold gently over your front leg. Breathe deeply, feeling a stretch in your hips and thighs.